Hello. I am in Cheonggyecheon, Seoul. If you go down the stairs you see in front, you will enter the river. The reason there are stairs going down like this is because on days when it rains heavily in the summer, the river water rises and the water level increases. That is why on rainy days the safety management staff usually locks the stairs so that people cannot go down. The difference in water depth was so great that in the past, residents around here were always flooded. Even if the dam was built high, there was a limit to the old civil engineering technology. So there was a time when the Cheonggyecheon River was buried to prevent it from flowing, and a road was built on top of it. As the city of Seoul developed, the road was used effectively, but as there were many high-rise buildings in the area, the heat island effect began to occur. In the summer, the humid climate made it feel like I was in a steamer, even outside, and I had to suffer from suffocating pain. To solve this, the road was removed again and the river was reorganized in 2005. At first, many citizens opposed it, saying it would cause traffic congestion and was a waste of tax money. But in the end, it was positive. It became a representative park for Seoul citizens due to its tourism effect. In particular, office workers who work nearby like it. I visited on the weekend, but even on weekdays, you can easily see office workers coming out for a breath of fresh air during lunchtime. This place has a tourism effect and reduces stress among citizens. As you can see when you look around, there are many high-rise buildings. This is the representative economic area of Seoul. Most of the high-rise buildings you see here are owned by famous Korean conglomerates. This river is about 8 kilometers long. They are all built as walkways like this. If you walk from the beginning to the end of this river, it takes about 2 hours. The river path I am walking along is close to the beginning of Cheonggyecheon River, which is the most visited by tourists. There are not many people now, but you can see that there are more and more people as you get closer to the beginning of the river. I came down the stairs. It is close to the river, and when the weather is hot in the summer, you can often see people dipping their feet in the river. The river water is clean. This is because purified water is used. They say that about 40,000 tons of water is discharged here every day. So it is a place where fish and birds live. You can also meet wild ducks that live very close to people. There are a lot of people here. The Seoul Metropolitan Government has created a Riverside library. An event space has been created where you can relax and read books in front of the river. So people are reading books.
Yeah.
If you look straight ahead, there is a small waterfall. That is the starting point of the Cheonggyecheon River. I arrived at Square. If you look at the floor, you can see a grooved area. There is a stream flowing there in the summer. If you walk to the right from here, you will arrive at Gwanghwamun. If you walk to the left, you will arrive at Seoul City Hall. This is the end of my tour of Cheonggyecheon. Thank you for watching the video.